PowerRay is more than just a fishing pro. It's a powerful underwater photography and video platform. PowerRay is an intelligent underwater robot designed to let you see the world as never before. Explore under the waves before you jump into the water. PowerRay can dive down to 98 feet and has 3 operational modes for beginners, experienced pilots, and professionals. For underwater photography, use PowerRay's powerful 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens. It can record video in real time at 4K 25 frames per second, while the unique LED lighting illuminates the water. Export the photos and videos to your computer. If you are an explorer who loves traveling and sharing your memories, PowerRay's real-time streaming in 1080p allows you to share your stunning moments to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. PowerRay's Power Seeker can be used as a standalone device. Just switch your app to fish finding mode. Power Seeker will alert you when there's a group of fish helping you catch them like a pro. Get detailed information on where the fish are, the depth of the water, and real-time battery life. PowerRay visualizes your fishing experience. Even if you aren't an experienced fisherman, PowerRay and Power Seeker can take you to the next level. PowerRay's VR goggles offer real-time immersive fishing experience for you or with your friends at the same time. Give someone else control as you can switch between controlling PowerRay or just observing to enjoy the freedom of swimming underwater without jumping in. The gesture-based VR goggle offers you hands-free control and provides you a stunning FPV underwater experience. In addition, you can utilize PowerRay for underwater exploration and ice fishing. Put the controller in your hand and discover what else PowerRay can do.
HDRC high-definition aerial drone can rotate 190 degrees for photographing. Available for real-time Wi-Fi image transmission, it allows you to control every details of shooting. Flying at 3-gear fly speed, the aircraft has stronger wind resistance. The headless mode drone can fly at 360 degrees freely. One-button safe return provides better guarantee and protection.
All new motorcycle 4-axles 2-in-1 with fly mode and land mode. You can have more joy to play. Powerful dynamic. 2.4 Hz multiply vehicles running without interference. Change to 4 axles and start fly mode. Land air mode switch. Turn the airplane into motorcycle. Firstly, remove the blades and install the corresponding wheel in the groove position. Then, align with the triangle symbol and rotate in the indicated direction to close the tripod and fuselage. Click the finger button of the indication watch 3 times. Long press the 1-click to return button of the remote. Turn the motorcycle into airplane. First step is take the wheel out by rotating it in the direction of the groove. Then, attach the corresponding blades and open the tripod. Charging instructions. Connect the battery and Type-C. Red light on after charging. Induction watch charging instructions. Connect the watch with the charging cable. Connect the power supply, and the red light will be off after charging. After loading the battery, rotate the switch. Open the back cover plate. Insert the battery wiring and cover the cover plate again. Basic function. Induction watch. Short press the finger button. 1 key to take off. Short press the watch button. 1 key to falling. Press the 1-click take-off button on the remote control to directly start the control rocker of the plane and start to fly. After pressing 1-click landing, the plane begins to descend. Emergency stop. Land mode of induction watch. Basic functions display. When the fist is in low pressure, forward, raise the fist for backward. Palm left for left. Palm right for right turn. Press and hold the finger button to raise the fist to rise. The fist to press down to fall. Forward. Backward. Right fly. Left fly. Hold down the finger button fist left for left. Fist right for right turn. Speed shift. Press the speed shift button. Low gear. Medium speed block. High speed gear. Scan the corresponding QR code or directly search H5 Wi-Fi in the application market to download and install. Connect the aircraft Wi-Fi in the settings of the phone. Open the aircraft software after connection and click Start in the lower right corner to enter the real-time transmission interface. Photo and video. Take a photo or a screenshot of the camera button to record the flight you want video with the photo. The headless mode. After starting up, the plane remembers which direction it was heading when it takes off. Press again to cancel. 1 click to return. The aircraft will automatically return according to the direction of takeoff after receiving the automatic return instruction or loss of control signal.